this guide, we're going over everything that you need to know here about Paradox on Roblox with the ultimate beginner's guide. Now, before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions. Just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you first start the game, you only get one character slot. If you want more, you're going to have to use codes or spend Robux. This is super important because once you choose your race, you can't really change it unless you wipe that slot. You can choose between Soul Reaper, Quincy, or Hollow, and each one has completely different progression paths and playstyles. But the controls are simple and important. You attack with left click, you block with F, dash with Q, and of course use your special abilities, execute and carry different keys. Learning these early will help you a lot in combat. Obviously, if you have the ability to type in codes immediately, go ahead and do that. If you have any codes that are currently active, they're always useful, so redeem them whenever you get the chance in the settings menu just by hitting settings, going to code, and typing it in just like so. Just keep in mind that you do have to enter them incorrectly since they are case sensitive. If you choose Soul Reaper, for example, by the way, you'll start doing missions from the Division Trainer. Once you reach about 75 potential, you take the exam in Soul Society, and then of course you begin progressing until you unlock meditation and your abilities. Quincy is going to be a bit easier. You actually complete missions, train with NPCs, and farm items, and fight your clone to unlock your script much faster than the Soul Reaper progression, and Hollow is the hardest path by far. You have to evolve it by defeating enemies multiple times through different stages until you reach the Vastro Lord. After you go ahead and do that, you remove your mask and continue progressing with missions and abilities. Rerolls are super common. You don't need to save them too much. If you use multiple slots, spread them out so your characters all stay strong. But you can also transfer items between slots using the bank in Kakura Town. Stats work through skill trees like Hakuda, Speed, Sword, and Keto, which of course you open up by going to your menu. You invest points to unlock skills, but you also need items like skill cores, crystals, and gems to activate them. But once everything is unlocked and activated, extra items won't really help, so it's better just save resources for later. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.